Welcome to the Tech Boy Anand YouTube channel.
Hello everyone. At this time, if you want to install Android apps and games, that is APK files, in your Windows computer, then this video is going to be an ultimate solution for that. As you know, the WSA, that is Windows Subsystem for Android, is no more available on Microsoft Store. So in this video, I will give you a step-by-step quick guide on how to install that WSA in your computer and enjoy all the Android applications seamlessly. Without any further ado, let's jump into the video. But before starting the video, I would like to say, please don't skip a single second, because this is a half an hour process almost, and I am just compressing and cutting the unnecessary parts and making it as short as possible. So every part of this video is very informative. Please don't skip any part. So these are the steps that we are going to follow in this video. First thing, you have to enable Virtualization, Windows Subsystem for Linux, PowerShell 2.0 and the Windows Hypervisor. So let's see. Right click on the blank space in the taskbar and click on Task Manager. Select Performance and see if the virtualization is enabled or not. If it is enabled, then everything is okay, and if it is not enabled, then you have to enable it in the BIOS or UEFI. There are a lot of videos on the internet, you can see. I am not describing it at this moment. Search Control Panel. Go to Control Panel, click on these programs, and now click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Here, please make sure that Virtual Machine Platform, Windows Hypervisor Platform, Windows PowerShell 2.0 and the Windows Subsystem for Linux. These 4 items are checked and click OK. Now it will search for the required files, install all the features. So it will take few seconds to a minute. Once it is done, you have to restart the computer. This is very crucial. You have to restart it, otherwise the changes will not be effective. So click on restart. Now once you are back to the screen again, you have to follow the second step, and that is enable developer mode. Search here, settings, and on the system tab, search for developers and toggle this switch. Once you're done with that, hit yes. Now close the window. Now go to the third step, that is turn off PowerShell restriction. So search here PowerShell. This is Windows PowerShell. Right click on it, click on Run as Administrator and give the permission yes. So now you can see it is running in the System32 folder, that is the administration mode. Now I have given the command in the description box. Make sure you start from set and end here in the unrestricted. Leave rest of the part, right click on it, copy and go to the PowerShell, paste it and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you have to type A, that is yes to all. Make sure the A is capital and hit enter. Once you're done with that, now you have to copy the complete command. Start from the set execution policy and end to the force. Right click on it, copy, and here you have paste it by Ctrl V and hit enter. Once you have done this, now you can close the PowerShell windows. Now the install WSA, that is the Windows Subsystem for Android. For that, click the link I have given in the description box. You will be landed in this page. Scroll down. Here you have to select Windows 11 or Windows 10 based on your operating system. As I am using Windows 11, I will select this one. Please make sure that you download the latest stable builds and scroll down. Here at the bottom, click on the latest release. Once the download is complete, now you can open the folder where the file is located and right click on it, click on copy, or you can click on cut and move it to a preferred folder. Suppose I go to documents and create here a folder, name WSA, and then inside the folder and extract the file. For this you have to install 7G. You have to install 7G from their official website. This is the 7G official website. Just click on the download, install. It will take maximum 5 to 10 seconds. Okay. Now once you are done with that, just extract it. Now inside the extracted folder, you will find install.ps1. This file is very important to install the WSA. Now select install.ps1, right click on it and click on run with PowerShell. It will ask for permission, click on yes. And now some processes will run, click on continue. And the Windows Subsystem for Android would start getting installed. It may take few minutes depending on the configuration of your PC. So please wait until the process is complete. Once it is done, you don't need to click on continue again. So just close the window, close it, close everything that is present. If you click on continue, it will start installing it again. So just close the window. Now you can see Windows Subsystem for Android is available. Click on it, or you can click on open. Go to advanced settings and turn on the developer mode. Click on allow. Go to apps, and here you can see Play Store is already installed. Click on open. You can see Play Store is installed successfully. You can just sign in using your Gmail ID. I'm not doing that here. Just close the window. Once you log into Play Store, you can install any apps that are available on Play Store. Now I will show you how to install any APK files if you want to install it. So for that, I have given another link for PacMan. Just open the link and you will be landed on this page. At the bottom, you have to click on this installer.exe file and click on start download. Once the download is complete, go to that folder, double click on this exe file and click on yes. Once you give the permission, click on next, next and next. Click on install. It is installed successfully. Click on finish. Now search WSA. You can see WSA PacMan. Open it. Select this checkbox and click on allow. Now you can see it is connected successfully. If you now try to install any APK file, you can do it. I am installing the APK file for VLC player, and this is the APK for VLC. Once you have downloaded the APK file or get it from anywhere, just you need to double click on it and the installation wizard will open. Just click on install and the installation will start. It will take few seconds to a minute depending on the size of the application. Once the installation is done, you can create a desktop shortcut and click on open app. You can see this is the interface of VLC. You can just skip or click on next or do anything that you can do in the Android version of VLC. You can minimize it from here or maximize. And also if you go to the settings and here under apps, you can go to install app. You can see the VLC is installed. You can uninstall it from here also. Okay, so this is how you can install APK files on Windows 11. If you don't want to install PacMan, there is another thing you can do. You can install the APK installer on WSA from the Microsoft Store. Just go to Microsoft Store and search APK installer on WSA, and you can just install it from there also. I will not show this over here. The video has been long enough. Thank you for staying with me till the end. That's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good time.
Thanks for watching.